Alright. Sorry, we accidentally stopped it. So this is going to be part 2 of shooting the phone. So, is zoom in on. Is it good?
Yep. He just drilled my goggles.
Did I?
Oh, wait, you want to take the back off?
Hang on. No, just keep it. Because we got to keep going on with the...
Ow! Ow, my finger!
Here, look at that. Alright, here, I'll let you shoot it real quick.
Alright. Here you go. Hold this. Am I going to shoot the back, or?
Yeah, keep going on the back. You hit my hand like 30 times.
Your mom's coming.
No, I bet you it's Gretchen and Blake. Alright, keep going. After you put a full winding in it, you can take off the bat. Wow.
Dude, I smell it. Alright, I'm taking off the back.
Dude, we gotta shoot.
Oh, it's hot!
Is it really?
Yeah, I feel it.
Yeah, it's really hot. Take off the bat. I bet you it's because we were shooting the battery.
Holy crap.
It's gonna leak battery acid.
Ah!
Here, get those pliers and pry it open.
Not today. I'm gonna flathead screwdriver.
And if you're wondering about that, we were beating the crap out of each other with it earlier. The Nerf swords and stuff. Trust me, it's a lot funny. It's a lot of fun. And
Let's blow the battery first.
Alright, let's go.
Wow, it's hot.
Is it really?
Yeah, correct. Come on.
Alright, well, I'm gonna take the phone over too.
Make sure your eye goggles are good, because you don't want battery acid getting in you.
Alright, do you want me to shoot it or do you want
Yeah,
to
you
shoot
can shoot it.
Sure, we should be doing this?
It's a battery.
Oh, dude.
Oh, dude, it's in the battery. Here, keep shooting it. Crack it open. We're gonna reuse all these BBs.
No, we're not.
Screw our gun. Nice.
Alright, here, you can do it.
I got probably one more good wind in here before I need to reload the Ben's BBs.
Oh yeah, Ben's our teammate. We mess with him a lot. He's a big idiot.
He's just retarded.
He left his BBs at my house.
You ready?
Yeah, hang on.
Ready?
Alright, go. Oh, dude, that actually really hurt. I think.
Oh, dude, do you smell that? Woo!
Dude, I think a little bit battery has gone because of like the BBs in it. Cause that just stung my arm.
Really?
Like, and it barely touched my arm.
Dude.
Oh, dude, you smell that?
Yeah, it smells horrible. Look at all of it. I think we're done with the battery.
That smells awful. Alright.
Go ahead and keep blowing the front off this thing.
No, let's do the back. We never did the
Look at
back.
the speakers and stuff.
Do the back.
That? Alright.
Yeah, because we never did that.
Alright, I'm going to reload.
Alright, here, take a video of me real quick.
Alright, hold on.
Just bring the bag over. Yeah, just bring the bag over here.
These are Ben's BBs.
There you go.
We should shoot my beats after this.
Here. There.
What?
Well, alright, here, put that in there. And put a couple on. Oh, we're actually gonna be shooting some beats in like, I think a week or so. Or maybe this weekend. They're still on the way, so yeah. He's filling my bag up. I know.
Here you go.